This is the review for 7.1 to 7.3, page 2. Angle H. In this picture, angle H is corresponding to what? Angle B. GH, so this over DJ is equal to AB. So now that's the big pentagon, and that should be equal to here on the bottom. They went on the bottom here, and so now I need to go all the way across because that's the big shape. So this should be DC. All right, next one. Name a pair of corresponding sides. So some of my choices: QR to CD. Yeah, those correspond, right? Going across. Or RS coming at a slant, and BC, that's not coming at a slant. So the first choice here, QR and CD. Next one, the two rectangles are similar. What is the correct proportion for corresponding sides? So 12 over 8. No, that's not right, because as you can see, this is the long side. This is the short side. So that's not going to work. So 12 over 4, bottom over the side, left side, is equal to the bottom over the left side. So 12 over 4 is equal to x over 8. This one you didn't have to do on Google Form. And the next one. These are 5s, that's 8. These are 7.5s, and that's 12. So how would you solve these if it's proportional and they're congruent? By side, side, side. Because I don't have any angles mentioned here. So I'm going to have to go side by side, side, side. So ABC went to the point, MNO, okay? Explain why the triangles are similar, then find the value. Okay, so I have an angle here and an angle here that are congruent. And then I have these two angles are congruent because of vertical angles. So the AA postulate. Next one. 6 is to 12. 6 is to 12 as the whole line here, because I'm looking at the big triangle. 8 is to X. Cross multiply 12 times 8 and divide it by 6. 6 goes into 12 two times, so my answer is 16. So the AA postulate, because you have this angle is equal to the same thing, and you also have corresponding angles here. Okay, this angle is equal to that one because you have parallel lines. So the AA postulate, and the answer is 16. All right. Next one. This is 8. This is 2. As you can see, it's not drawing the scale. If this is 58, we got to find this. So 8 over 2 is equal to 58 over x. So 58 times 2 is 116, and I'm dividing that by 8. I end up with 14.5. All right, the next one, I don't think you had to do. The artist one, the longest side of the canvas is 31 inches. How long is the shorter? I don't think I did that one. All right. Next one. write a similarity statement. Okay, so they both have 60. If this is 53 and that's 67, you add those together, 10 carry 1. 120 and that's 60, so that's 180, so that works. And it would have to be EDC, FGH, or CDE, FGH. All right, because this side is 60 and this side is 60, I would go with this. Because if you went this way, EDC, you started with the 67, and now you said that's equal to the FGH, which is the 60. So those two wouldn't work. All right. Tick mark, tick mark. So how much is angle V over here? If this is 63 and that's 47, you add those together, you get 110. 63 and 47 is going to give you 110. So 180 minus 110 give you 70. So it has to be 70 degrees.